What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here on Chanel's channel. So today we have something totally different, not really something that we do here on this channel, but I feel like I say that all the time at the beginning of every video. As you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be doing something a little bit different. So today I'm doing something totally different from what I normally do. So as you guys can tell by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be unboxing the new Jordan 7 GC just released on September the 5th. Today is September the 10th. I literally just got my pair in. I don't know if I'll be able to upload it the same day, but editing and all that stuff takes some time. I know a lot of people have done reviews on this particular shoe before because a lot of people have the hookup to be able to get the Jordans before it's actually released to the public. I don't know how they do it, but I'm new to this whole game. I did do a review on the Jordan 6 that just released as well. Okay guys, moment of truth. I got them here. I'm about to try them on and see how it looks on me, and if they do look good, I might keep them. If not, I'ma sell them. Literally took me 6 minutes to get these shoes on. But I feel like I didn't like the filming and the quality of the video, so I didn't really post it. So I'm gonna add it to this video towards the end. So I'm gonna be reviewing two new shoes that just released. Okay, so I have a package right here, and as you guys can see, it's about to be a nice red box. The box is bright red and gold, and that is a Chinese New Year color. So I think it's symbolized around all that whole Chinese concept. And it's, I could see 23 in here. I just don't know what all these say, but I do have a Chinese friend that I could probably have her translate and tell me what this means. I'm just gonna text her and hopefully she responds. So as you guys can see right here, I got it in a size 5.5 in men, but it's a size 7 in women's. I particularly wear like a 7.5, 8, but this was the only size I could pretty much grab because everything else was selling out extremely fast. So this is the size that I got. It normally retails for $190, but it's just $10 more, so it retailed $200 this year around. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because it's a print, because it's a whole other colorway. Like this colorway, as I reviewed, it is extremely bright. It has so many colors, so many aspects to this shoe. So let's go ahead and open up this page. There's gold inside as well. Such beautiful writing. Oh, this shoe is sick. Look how detailed and beautifully made this is. I have no idea why this tape is on the shoe right here, but let's just remove that. This colorway is definitely by far one of the top colorways that I've seen in the Jordan 7s. It is so neat and it's just so much going on to it. Look at this gold printed Jordan mark right here. I don't know what that means. It looks like pi. What is that? I don't even know what it stands. I know the shoe is made from 92, I believe, for the Dream Team that it was representing, but I don't know if that looks, I don't know what that look like. I guess that's Chinese writing. I don't even know. Okay, so let's talk about all the different aspects of this shoe. Like this colorway, it is so lit. I feel like it could limit you, but if you wear it right, it shouldn't limit you. Look at the bottom. The soles are sick. Like I heard the sole here is actually glow in the dark, but look at the yellows, the reds, the blacks. There's just so much going on, and that's what like the Chinese are. They all with bright, colorful colors. Inside here is like a pattern. I don't know, it's like a pattern leather, but it's actually a print of a dragon at the toe right here. And I think there was another one. I believe there's rumor that there's two of them, but I can't really see it. Here, this area is suede, and then you also have the insides of the shoe, and this is supposed to be your other dragon as well. But there's a lot of different. Oh yeah, look, I see it right here. Can you see that? Can you guys see that? That's definitely a dragon like right here. I feel like there's a lot to this pattern. Inside the shoe itself, the soles are red, bright red, and then the tongue actually has the Jordans in the back of it, but normally it's to the front. So it has a lot of different aspects to this Jordan 7s than the regular Jordan 7s, to be quite honest. But overall, I don't know. I feel like it can limit you, but it don't have to limit you. I feel like this colorway, it has a lot of different colors and everything going on in this piece. I think it's for a particular type of person. Like, I don't think like anybody who just wants to wear a pair of sneakers will go for this one right away, because I just feel like it's just so much going on, because inside here is like crazy with all the different color patterns, but outside is a little bit neater, more polished and more themed. I do like these Jordans a lot. This is my first Jordan 7. At the end of the day, I don't know if it's going to fit me, so I might be reselling them. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments down below, and follow me on Instagram, because that's the best way to reach out to me. I normally post my stuff that I'm selling on Instagram, and I'll also be selling the Jordan 6s as well. So if you guys are interested in any of these shoes, let me know down below. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I'm going to do a b-roll to do more specific that I probably missed out by talking right here, but I'm definitely going more in depth. As you guys will see, the b-roll will show you all the pretty details of this shoe, because I feel like I'm not doing it justice holding it right here in my hand. So